Hello everyone. In this video we are going to have second installation of WordPress in our local computer. After we finish installing a WordPress website in our local computer, we might need second installation also. We are going to see how we can have multiple WordPress installation in our local computer. Let's get started. I am at the installation folder of XAMPP, that is xampp, and inside the docs folder, this portfolio website is my current website. Now I want to have another website also. If you want to revise how to have first website installed, you can check this video. This folder was our save folder. I am copying it again and pasting it here. Let's rename this folder as website 2. Now we start the XAMPP control panel. Let's go to our browser. Now we can go to our second website, localhost / this website. It shows the installation screen. Continue. We need separate database for each WordPress website installation. So let's go to our phpMyAdmin. Let's create another database. We can keep our desired name. I'm going with this one. Let's go. Let's enter our database name here, username root, and submit. Run the installation. Let's enter our website information. I have entered all the required information. Now let's install this website. Okay, let's log in. We are logged into our second website. Let's go to second website. Yeah, this is our second website. We can also go to our first website, and this is our first website, portfolio Biswas Koyala, and this is the second website, just website 2. In this way we can have multiple WordPress websites in our local host. If we want more website, we can just paste this WordPress folder here and rename it as required, and create a database for that website and run WordPress installation. That was all for today. If you have any queries regarding this video or any WordPress related content, you can comment below. You can like this video, share and subscribe this channel. See you in next video. Thank you.